Hello, we are on the 7th day of the DreamLife Gratitude Challenge, where every day I have brought to you a different topic of something that I am so grateful for. And today, my topic is love. I am so grateful for the love that I have in my life. I am on the beautiful beach with my beautiful family. Yes. Grilling on the beach. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day. And whether you participated with the hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Challenge or not, I hope that you are grateful for whatever you have in your life right now. And I encourage you to live each day in the present moment and embrace the love that you do have in your life, whether that's within yourself or the people around you. Happy Thanksgiving.